Okay, kiddos, today we're going to be measuring some angles. So when you go into Seesaw, you're going to see like a poster of all the different attribute blocks, these things, with the measurements of their angles. You're also going to find a sheet that looks like this. I'm going to show you how we're going to measure one of these angles, and then I want you to do the rest of them. So this is the angle part. So I am measuring this right there with my pattern blocks. Well, I'm going to start off with a big one. This is my hexagon, and this angle right here, which is any of the angles, is 120 degrees. So let's see if that fits. Oh my gosh, and I got lucky. It fits exactly. So I know that this one is 120 degrees. Okay, so now I want you to use the rest of the pattern blocks. There's a square, there's this, and this, whoops, this and this, and, oh, I don't have the red one. But look at the angle measurements, and I want you to do angle 2 and angle 1, and you are doing the inside angles. So right here and right here.